Direct replacement. These engine oil drain plug gaskets are made to match the fit and performance of the original equipment components. Restores functionality, built to restore a proper seal. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. These oil drain plug gaskets are designed to specific sizes and standards for reliable replacement at every oil change. Top reviews from the United States. Always keep these on hand. Whether changing your own oil, or taking your car in to have the oil changed, be advised that some places don't think it's important to change the crush washer with every removal of the oil drain plug. That would be faulty thinking. It is imperative to change the crush washer every time.